individual day. You know by now that 2 is always the number of cooperation, so you won't want to throw your weight around today. Leave decisions to others, your employer, partner, friend, or mate. This doesn't mean that you must be lackadaisical or unconcerned, however, because it is important for you to assist and coordinate their plans in every way you can. They will be impressed with your give and take attitude and show their appreciation and loyalty. Be tactful if you disagree and try to steer them around to the correct thought or method without imposing your will or being dictatorial. Tact and diplomacy are called for. No matter how dynamic and effervescent you are normally be subdued and let others take the spotlight for a change. Listen instead of being the featured performer. Encourage anyone with whom you come in contact with, whatever it is called for. Listening is always a good way to learn in any case, even if it's not world-shattering information. When you are in repose and pay attention to people, you will find you learn something about them. Perhaps you will see something you never gave them a chance to demonstrate before. Things will take their time for you today. No rushing or hustle and bustle are indicated, and you should not allow yourself to be drawn into such a situation. When rushed on a 2 day, one often makes the wrong decision or move. 2 is also the number indicative of working well with women. If you follow the spirit of cooperation that prevails for you today, you will find that anything involving the female members of your business or family will run smoothly. It's a good time to ask for that favor you have been wanting. Shopping had better wait for another day. You can always make do with what you have for the time being. Spend the time instead on other things, such as something you may have started yesterday, a one day. Be charming, discriminating, tactful, and helpful. If there's a marriage proposal in the offering, this would be a good day to accept it. After all, marriage is one long stint of cooperation, is it not? Your inner instincts will dictate what's right for you today. It would be a good idea to follow them because intuition will be strong now. However, if you react in a negative sense and are argumentative or act in any way contrary to the vibrations of the cooperative 2 power, it will work against you. Take it easy, relax, and be happy.